Hello everybody, welcome to Rachel's classroom. In this video, we will discuss cost of equity capital. The computation of cost of equity is quite complex. Some may argue that the cost of equity capital is free, as the firm is not legally bound to pay dividends to its shareholders. But this is not true in reality, because shareholders invest their funds with the expectation of dividends. Therefore, the market value of equity share depends on three things. One, dividends expected by the shareholders. Two, the book value of the firm. And three, the growth in the value of the firm. So, the cost of equity capital is nothing but the required rate of return at which the present value of the expected dividend is equal to the market value of the equity share. Now, there are different methods we can use to calculate the cost of equity capital. In the following videos, we will discuss each of these methods. In this video, we will be discussing dividend price method. Here we will be using two different formulae. One is dividend divided by net proceeds in the case of new equities that are floated for the first time. The second formula is dividend divided by market price. This is used in the case of existing shares. Let's see an example. A company offers for public subscription equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of 10%. The company pays an underwriting commission of 5% on the issue price. So, the equity shareholders are expecting a dividend of 15%. Now we are expected to calculate the cost of equity capital and the cost of equity capital when the market price is 20. Now let's proceed to solve the problem. First, let's solve the first subdivision of cost of equity capital when using the net proceeds formula. Face value of the share is 10 rupees. They are selling it at a premium of 10%. So 10% of 10 is 1 rupee. So the issue price at which the shares is floated is rupees 11. They are paying an underwriting commission of 5% on the issue price. So the issue price is 11 rupees. So 5% on 11 rupees is 0.55. So, to calculate cost of equity, we use the formula dividend divided by net proceeds. Dividend is 15%. 15% on the face value of the share, which is 10. Okay, so that is 1.5. The dividend is 1.5 divided by net proceeds is calculated by face value minus issue expense plus premium. So, 10 rupees is face value minus 0.55 is issue expense and plus 1 is the premium on the share price. So the cost of equity for the first scenario is 14.35%. In the second scenario, they asked us to find the cost of equity when the market price is 20. So dividend, we will use the dividend that we calculated earlier, that is 1.5. Market price being 20. So the cost of equity is 7.5%. Thank you.